Hi, good evening. Welcome to Easy Money Post Market Report. I am CA Rudramurthy, author, trader, and a trainer. I want to tell you today the Nifty move and the Bank Nifty move you see, irrespective of weakness from either European market or Dow futures, the expiry happened in a great bulls thumbs up. And if you see, Nifty closed decisively above 14,700 and all put options which were written below the strike price of 14,700 for the weekly option, the option sellers pocketed the entire premium. In fact, today in the pre-market analysis, clearly I mentioned 14,590 as per market profile is a very crucial support and expiry should happen above 14,600. However, even Bank Nifty, if you observe, clear-cut support was mentioned at 32,500 and Bank Nifty also expired above 32,800 and all weekly put options which were sold by option sellers below strike price of 32,800 or below, everything pocketed the entire premium. In fact, during live market hours, I keep giving my market updates in my Twitter channel. I am Rudramurthy. In the description below, I have given my Twitter ID. Do enjoy live market updates and all the stock specific movements and Nifty and Bank Nifty intraday views on my Twitter channel. I am Rudramurthy. Today, mid cap IT and mid cap pharma gave a fantastic move. In fact, stocks like Coforge was up 17% just for the intraday, and many mid cap pharma stocks also moved superbly. If you take stocks like Caplin Point, Bajaj Healthcare, they were all up over 7 to 10% on an average. Also, we have to see active COVID cases. The numbers which came today was disappointing and it was at the highest levels of 4,12,000 cases which got added in the last 24 hours. And these numbers are coming in spite of strict lockdowns which are followed in most of the states. Also, the thumping good news today is Russia is authorizing a single shot COVID-19 vaccine, and that has an efficacy of 79.4%, which is a very positive news. And we have to see, however, the ground reality. Today in Bangalore, we are seeing availabilities of no bed, no oxygen, and real chaos in the local ground. Not just in Bangalore, in most of the cities of our country, we are facing this problem. Are we seeing this ground reality in market? The answer is market is not seeing any of this ground reality because people at lockdown sitting at home are just trading, and retail investors and traders are supporting this market. Especially if you see yesterday, in spite of FIIs being sellers, DIIs being sellers, who is buying the market? Yes, it is the retail traders and investors who are supporting this market, but valuations are nowhere cheap like before. And right now, it is all the stock specific market, and for very short term, in spite of regular selling by FIIs, this market is supported by DIIs as well as the retail traders. However, today's data, if you see, FIIs bought for the first time after 4 consecutive days of selling, and today's buy figure of FII is 1,222 crore. DIIs were sellers today and they sold about 632 crore. And let me today do a chart check of a stock which I want you all to focus upon. And also let me tell you, these are all discussions for definitely someone to understand technicals more closer. And let us see today's chart analysis, and I'm discussing this stock for you. And this is BHEL coming on your screen. And if you see this stock, very closely, this stock had a crucial resistance, and we could see this resistance getting broken. And if you see this resistance zone on BHEL, that was very close to levels of 56 rupee 50 paise to 57. So this amount of resistance which was there is already taken off now. And observe the volumes which are just getting piled here, and see this move which is happening. Also, if you observe very closely, the 20-day moving average of BHEL, if you see here, has now got broken, and currently the 20-day moving average stands at 48.71. So this is the place where you can see the current 20-day moving average, and BHEL is currently above its 20-day moving average, which is at 48.71, and way decisively above its 20-day moving average. And in fact, this is the candle where the buy call was initiated to our participants and HNI clients, and this candle gave a breakout of this 20-day moving average line, which you can see. The red line, what you see here, is your 20-day moving average line, and the candle which gave a clear breakout above that 20-day moving average line gave a clear buy signal, and we see some amount of small consolidation happening, but this consolidation is surely happening above this crucial breakout zones. So today, in fact, intraday, it gave an opportunity for you to buy closer to these resistance zones, which has got now broken out, acting now as a very crucial support. So one can definitely consider buying BHEL on every dips. A stop loss might be at levels closer to 52 is important, and having entered at 48 levels, we would definitely now keep a trailing stop loss at around 52 zones. And as we keep moving up, the stop loss keeps further going up. Let me also show you what happened on Tata Chemical. I'm sure you all saw an analysis of Tata Chemical which we made, and this was our morning analysis. And I told below the neckline of 690, Tata Chemical is gone. And see where currently Tata Chemical is. Tata Chemical is at 676 levels. You can see this clear selling which is happening on Tata Chemical with rise in volumes also tells us, yes, the selling on Tata Chemical is intact, and this head and shoulder formation which we have seen on Tata Chemical tells us that yes, one has to be very careful. And in fact, people who have now shorted can bring their stop loss at the entry point which we have got at levels closer to 790. In fact, on the result day when Tata Chemical came out with a very bad result, below levels of 730 itself was a clear sell. Even post result, it gave a fantastic opportunity for someone to short at levels below 730, and now at levels closer to 675. Imagine just one lot of Tata Chemical position would have given you profits close to 50,000 per lot. If someone would have just even taken one lot short position in Tata Chemical, percentage gains for a margin of around 1.5 lakh, 50,000 profit is 33% profit just in 3 trading days. Yes, risk management, chart analysis, identifying the right stocks with good entry, and managing your trade is very crucial for profitable trading. You can never be right on all the stocks what you take positions on, and in fact, no one can be right. There's a popular Wall Street saying that only two people can be right every time. One is God, and second one is a liar. I am neither God nor a liar, but overall making money in market is very important. Hope today's Easy Money program has given you lot of updates, chart analysis, market views, and stocks to watch for. Coming up with more videos, and for live market updates, don't forget to like me in my Twitter handle, I am Rudramurthy, given in the description below, and forward this video to as many people as possible to join hands with me to spread right financial literacy. Signing off, Rudramurthy. Take care. Happy trading. Thank you.